Licensed CPA and Montclair State University accounting and finance professor Dan Geltrude joins us this morning. Hey, Dan, thanks for your time.
Good morning.
It feels every year like, didn't we just finish doing our taxes and now it's already here again? Tax day, Dan, is April 18th. This weekend's going to be busy for a lot of people getting those last-minute taxes done. What's your first bit of advice for people up against that fast-approaching deadline?
Well, here's the first thing I'm going to say. What are you waiting for? Right?
It's easier. Every time you do it, you're like, this isn't as hard as I'm making it out to be, right?
Of course. Listen, it's something people don't like to think about, but taxes are a part of the two certainties in life. So here's what you have to think about to start with. To begin with, CPAs are hard to find right now. So if you don't have somebody lined up, what you need to think about right now is filing an extension. That's Form 4868. That will give you until October 16th to file your taxes. So you can procrastinate another 6 months if you want. But here's the thing to know. The forms are not due until October 16th. However, your taxes are. So if you're going to file an extension, you have to make sure that all of your taxes have been filed. Now, listen, if you're expecting a refund, no problem. You just send in the form and you're good to go for 6 months.
Right.
However, if you think you're going to owe, how do you figure that out? My advice: look to what you owed last year and make that payment with your extension.
Okay, good to know. Speaking of refunds, let's break this down a little bit more. Each year, tax laws change, right? So what are the biggest things people need to watch out for this year, and how can you boost your refunds?
Well, you know, the whole point here is not to get a refund. Why am I saying that? Because when you're getting a refund, and I know people use that as a savings tool, you have given the government an interest-free loan. So you really want to plan your taxes so it's a break even. However, if you are going to get a refund, what you want to do is make sure you're filing your tax return electronically, point one, and point two, make sure that you're notating on your return that you want that refund to be direct deposit into your bank. If you do those things, you should be getting your refund within 21 days. If not, you could be waiting a long time. 21
days. I will say it does feel good to get that refund check, even though you say we shouldn't want to get it. It does feel satisfying. Admit it, Dan.
Well, listen, it's certainly better than paying.
Come on, Dan.
I agree.
It's nice to have a payday. It doesn't matter if they held your money. It's your money, but it's your money.
Yeah. I love your energy. Thanks for the expertise. As always, thanks for joining us. Happy Friday, sir.
Thank you.
And Dan, I finished filing. I just submitted my electronic signature while you were doing that interview.
Go you.